In Ontario, the epicenter of the outbreak, an urgent effort to vaccinate kids that aren't fully protected.
It was time to be getting his vaccinations, and then seeing that there's been measles cases in the area, we just wanted to get it done for him.
2025 is now the worst year for measles in Canada since the disease was eradicated in 1998. Provincial health authorities are reporting 912 cases of measles so far this year, breaking the record of 752 cases in 2011. And that might not even be a complete picture.
You have to also recognize that this is confirmed cases, and whatever number that you hear confirmed, you probably need to multiply that because it's going to be an underestimate.
Ontario schools have started suspending students who aren't fully vaccinated. Measles is one of the most contagious diseases, and it can burn through those without immunity like wildfire. In Ontario, most of those sick and all those hospitalized, 6 are kids that haven't had the jab. In Alberta, fears of a new measles outbreak. The province is reporting 50 cases, but there are fears it will spread further. Vaccination rates are as low or even lower than 50% in some communities.
We're probably looking at the beginning of a significant measles outbreak.
Measles kills by causing the brain to swell or infecting the lungs until they fail. That's how a kid in Texas died of measles earlier this month, the second child killed by the virus this year in the state. Neither had been vaccinated. Doctors fear there could be deaths in Canada too this year if it continues to spread.
This is not a small infection. This is a big deal disease. You do not want to have what people call natural immunity from measles because the risk of having measles itself is so significant.
And Jennifer, there is some concern from doctors that after nearly 30 years, Canada could lose its measles elimination status.
Yeah, and unfortunately, it is a real risk. So if the virus keeps on spreading in the community uninterrupted for 12 months straight, that's when experts would say that measles is once again endemic to Canada. And right now, we're halfway there. The outbreak has been going on since October. But it's not an inevitability. If the communities that are being hit hard really come together and do everything they can to protect themselves, protect their kids, protect other vulnerable people, then measles doesn't have to come back and become endemic in Canada again.
Jennifer, thanks.
You're welcome.